In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. Imagine you're organizing or preparing to share a collection of essential documents, and the first step is to efficiently select multiple files. Whether you're using a computer with Windows or a Mac, I'll guide you through a few straightforward techniques. If you're operating within a web browser and you're beginning with a single file, the process starts simply by clicking on the first file you wish to select. Now, if you're looking to select a range of files that are all in a row, there's a handy shortcut. First, click on the file at the start of your desired range to highlight it. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last file in the series. Everything in between will magically be selected for you. Sometimes, though, the files you need aren't neatly lined up together. If you find yourself needing to select files that are scattered throughout your Google Drive, you can use a different approach. For Windows users, hold down the Control key, and for Mac users, hold down the Command key. While holding the key, simply click on each file you want, and voila, all your chosen files are selected, no matter where they are in the list. There might be occasions when you have to select every file in a folder or view. If that's the case, there's no need to click on each one individually. Instead, activate the folder by opening it, then simply press Ctrl+A if you're on a Windows computer or Command+A on a Mac. This combination selects all the files instantly, saving you a lot of time and effort. Another option is a bit more visual. This works particularly well if you're more comfortable using your mouse and like working in the list or grid view in Google Drive. Click and hold the left mouse button while dragging your cursor over the files you need. Everything you encircle will be selected, giving a very intuitive and tangible way to gather the files you need. Choosing the right method depends on your personal preference and the specific situation. Each of these methods can simplify the way you interact with your files, helping you be more organized and efficient. If you practice these techniques a few times, they'll soon become second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Feel free to pause this video or replay any section if you need to go over the steps again. Happy organizing, and remember that selecting files efficiently can save you precious time for other important tasks.